back out to the roads now, and the big message tonight, don't travel through the Sierra this weekend.
Yeah, let's go live to Orko Amanda, who is along Interstate 80 at Baxter. Orko, what are you seeing at this hour? How have things changed throughout the night?
Yeah, Ty, well, right now, as you can probably tell, I'm being pelted in the face with some snow that just started to fall in the last 30 minutes or so. It's really kind of been a mixture of things. We saw some rain, a snow-rain mixture, and now we're seeing some snow. And I actually brought this meter stick here to kind of show you how much snow was falling further up in the Sierra, but I can't use this because Drum 4 Bay all the way to the Nevada state line is still closed. It's been closed for several hours. You can see here where we are at Baxter, that's pretty slushy, but there's a lot more snow on the ground further up the road. And we're told by Caltrans and CHP that the closure between Drum 4 Bay and the Nevada state line was due to spinouts, low visibility, and high winds like the winds we're seeing right now. We actually spoke to some drivers who decided to pull over to the side of the road, side of the interstate, to try to wait out that closure.
We thought we would be able to make it, but we saw that there was some trouble and decided to kind of wait it out, but it looks like it's probably not going to work out tonight. So if it's not going to get better, I don't necessarily want to sleep in the car overnight. So
we were planning on waiting it out a little bit, but we are considering going back home. I wasn't aware there was going to be a storm. I know I should have checked.
Yeah, and it's important to make sure you keep checking those conditions, like I mentioned, kind of changing throughout the evening, and we're expecting even more snowfall higher up in the elevations here in the Sierra for overnight and into tomorrow. And right now, we still don't have an estimated time from Caltrans or from other officials when that closure will be back open on the stretch of I-80 that's a little further up from where we are. But again, you are asked to check those conditions, and if you do need to be out on the roadways, stay safe. But the big message, again, from officials is stay home if you can. Reporting live along I-80 at Baxter, Orko Amanda, KCRA 3 News.
All right, heard loud and clear. Orko, thank you. Get back in the live truck and warm up.